Hello everyone, I'm Santhosh, currently pursuing my third year BE in Computer Science in Meenakshi Institute of Technology. Today I'm here to talk about my project regarding the Samsung Innovation Campus. So as we all know, road damages are a serious issue in India. So there's a lot of problems being caused by this. It could be tire damage or it could be increased traffic. And it is difficult for the government to keep track of all these road damages. So, uh, introducing StreetScan. StreetScan is a website for citizens who suffer with road damages in their day-to-day life. It uses a computer vision model called YOLO, which is the backbone of my project, as it analyzes uploaded road images and detects damages, which is stored in a MongoDB database. It also uses Gemini to generate professional downloadable inspection reports, and which is also stored in the database. Let's look at the tech stack. So for artificial intelligence, so the specific model is YOLO 11, which is used for road damage detection. Gemini is the LLM I've used for generating reports. The programming language I've used is Python. I've hosted this on a web application known as Streamlit. It's stored in a database of MongoDB. Computer vision, OpenCV, and Ultralytics. The PDF generation is done using Report Lab. The environment and configuration is done through python.env, version control, Git and GitHub, and one of the most important things I've had, hardware acceleration, CUDA and NVIDIA GPU. And even if you look at the project architecture, it isn't really that complicated as you would think it to be. Okay, so for now, let's move on to the demo of the project. Before the demo, let's look at the files I've used. So train.py was my main file for training my model to make sure it suits for road damages. Detect.py. This is used to detect any anomalies found on a road. Configuration, this is used to make sure that it doesn't detect any other type of object. So the confidence threshold, I've kept it as 0.25. So anything only above 0.25 as the confidence will be detected as an actual damage. Damage assessment. This decides the severity of the issue based on the confidence, the type of damage it is, and calculates a severity score. And then using this severity score, it generates a report which is used, which is done by report builder. So this report is just a normal report. It's not really human readable. So using the report from this, AI report does that, where it asks Gemini to generate a human readable report. And then PDF generator. It creates an actual PDF which is downloadable for anytime use. Database, this was the main file for connecting it to MongoDB. Logit.py is more of the developer side, where I've used it to actually find out what problems are there with my website. Pipeline, this is obviously the main file where it makes sure all of these files come together in a proper order of sequence. Streamlit app. This file was the main file for hosting the actual model. And I have three main pages on my website called as home, where you can see the dashboard of it. Upload, where you can actually upload your damages which you have found, the road. And reports is to find a history of all the previous reports which have been uploaded on there. Let's move on to the demo. So as you can see, this is the main dashboard. So as you can see on the left side here, you have home, upload, and reports, as said before. So when you open the website, initially you can see the whole inspection overview of all the reports which have been saved. So for now, I have added 3 inspections for now. There are 5 damages detected in those 3 inspections. There's a critical inspection and all of the 3 are pending. So, and then you can see the most recent inspections and the damage distribution. So there are 4 types of cracks which have been found. So one is called alligator crack, longitudinal crack, pothole, transverse crack, and there's another damage called as other corruption, where it's none of these. Of course, I have to show it working properly. So here, let's click on start new inspection. And then this ensures that it goes to the upload page on its own. It's a quick action, obviously. So here you can see I can choose upload an image. So let me go ahead. For now, let me show you the edge cases. For example, zero damage. So here I found this image where it's a new fresh road of asphalt and there's absolutely no damage shown here. So as you can see, the image is uploaded successfully. You can see how the image looks as a preview. And now here you have the option to add your location. You can add any specific address. For example, let me add an address. Let me also give it the permission to add my location. So here it stores the location in terms of latitude and longitude in coordinates. As you can see, the location has been captured. I'll click on Analyze Road Damage. So I'll start from this step. Okay, so now I'll upload an image. So we'll test the edge cases. So this image has zero damage. So we can look at the preview. So we can make sure that obviously there's no damage. It's a fresh new road. We can include the location. So it captures it in latitude and longitude. Now let me click on Analyze Road Image, Road Damage. So as you can see, inspection is completed successfully and the report is saved. So you can see there's no much difference because there's no real damage here. So as you can see, the inspection summary says that the road condition is good. There's no damage is detected. There's no repair, and obviously all the maintenance assessment is low. It generates the report here. As you can see, there's no immediate maintenance action required. Inspection report. So here we can download an inspection report. So of course you can look at the PDF. So you have it usable anytime. And yeah, so next I'll show you the other condition where obviously you can see it's very much damaged. I'll click on Analyze Road Damage. As you can see, it's done. So it is detected. There's alligator cracks. As you can see, the road conditions, the damage is detected, and here the AI inspection report is again there. And again, you can download the inspection report for this as well. And also to make sure that no duplicate images are actually used, you can see it detects the image and says that it's already been inspected. Here we can go to the reports, and here you can see that you can really filter based on report ID, status if it's pending or completed, the date of when it was generated, and the maintenance priority. So now let me show you a road damage. So here, as you can see, this was the road damage which I have taken as an example. So here, I can mark it as completed as well once the road damage is actually fixed. So yeah, so you can see here that it's marked as completed. And you can also look at the actual database where all the reports are saved here. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 reports which I've made all are here. So now let me talk about possible future improvements. Obviously, one of the main improvements we could make was create a website where we give official login credentials to government officials, giving them access to certain admin commands. For example, we can't just let anyone mark a report as completed or they can't delete it. So that should be given access to only government officials who are in charge of the road repair. Obviously, the database isn't as secure as you would expect official government website to be. So that's something I could work on as well. And the location. So along with the location, we should have an autofill function with all the places so that it would be much easier for citizens to be able to access this website. And yeah, that's my project. Thank you.